Welcome! Today I have prepared a review on this beautiful 42093 Chevy Corvette ZR1. It has almost 600 parts, which is really good for its price. 6 unnumbered bags await us inside, instruction and the stickers. The interesting parts are the 4 new mudguard panels 9-on-3-on-2 in orange, the 2 recolored 11-on-3 panels in orange, double bevel 20-tooth clutch gear which first appeared in Chiron, and the new to Technic, the thin 43-on-14mm tires which first appeared in the London bus set. Once assembled, it looks bigger than I expected, almost 30 centimeters long. Nothing too fancy here. The differential on the rear axle connected to the piston engine in the front. It's really good that they have implemented it on this scale. The hand of God steering from the back. Of course, no suspension because it would be quite problematic to implement it on such a scale. There are no openable doors, trunks or hoods, nothing like that, but I think it's fine. And I have to say that it looks much better from the back, in my opinion, and even better when you are looking from the distance. So technically I believe it is possible to put an M motor here or even an L motor with no problem with the servo motor instead of the piston engine. There is quite a lot of space. I think 5 studs, yeah, 5 studs, enough to put a servo here too. But if you ask me, I don't think it's really needed. The hot rod, I won't lie, to me it looks quite ugly, but given the scale, the parts and some limitations such as the tires, it is really good that it doesn't look like the A model. So what we get is a nice looking set, great for displaying but still with the ability to play. Really cool spoiler on the back, great orange parts pack. Probably the most important for me is the blue clutch gear, which allows for more flexible gearbox solutions, and this set is a really good donor for it, and it's really good that it is in the set, but technically it's not really needed here, so props to the makers. And I don't think there is much else to be said here. Thanks for watching and peace out.